어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going은 언제나 너에게 going.
First of all, prepare 2 ripe avocados. Cut the avocado in half and remove the seed. Use a spoon to remove the avocado flesh from the skin. Add sugar or other sweetener to taste into the blender. Then, add enough ice cubes. Then, add enough water. Then blend all the ingredients until smooth and evenly mixed. Decorate the glass with chocolate milk. And then, pour the avocado juice into a glass. Then make the ice cream mix. First of all, pour water. Then, add cornstarch as needed. Turn on the stove. Keep stirring until smooth, and so that the mixture doesn't clump. Dissolve the butter to mix into the ice cream mixture. Transfer to a container. Then mix the butter solution into the ice cream mixture. Add 2 sachets of sweetened condensed milk. Also add 2 sachets of danko milk. Then stir until the mixture is smooth and has no texture using a mixer. Add food coloring to make it more attractive and stir until evenly mixed. Once mixed well, put the mixture in the freezer and wait for 2 hours. Decorate with Milo on the top of avocado juice and add more chocolate milk. Then decorate the avocado juice with ice cream on top. Avocado ice cream juice is ready to be served.